Could you benefit from a licensed brain-based behavioral health expert who has helped thousands to focus and to optimize their achievement levels? Hi, my name is Dr. Leon Sankofa. I have worked in the area of behavioral health and wellness for approximately 25 years. I have experiential and expert knowledge that has helped thousands in the area of anxiety, depression, trauma, motivation, and leadership. I have provided staff development for real estate agencies, detention centers, treatment centers, community service boards, colleges, and universities. You may know me from my radio, TV, social media interviews, for my highly sought after, candid approach and rapid change techniques. And I am the author of the book, The Thought I Lost. So contact me for your next engagement, event, or conference, because I believe that change can occur with a simple conversation.